One, two, Panang.
Oh, no, she was Penang. I
Tea
was
Panang.
Khao Soi.
Khao Soi.
Yeah.
When you sweet,
Yeah.
you green in the middle. We stay in. So, we
Next
stay in.
is making curries.
Panang Tim.
Okay.
Green,
Khao Soi,
Penang,
Yes.
and khao
Green
soy
tea.
curries.
Okay. Yeah, and Panang.
All these ingredients.
So ingredient is same thing, except the green chili for the green curry. Panang and khao soy, we need red dry chili. The dry chili. Here. The same chili in your cashew nut chicken. But we soak them in hot water. Soaking, make it softer, easy to cut. Okay. Lemongrass, turmeric, shallot, garlic. Same thing. Shallot, garlic, ginger, the skin of the lime. The zit of the lime. That coriander root. And in the white bowl, can you tell me what we got there? White bowl, peppercorn, yeah. Cumin, very good. And the
Anise?
other one,
Anise?
coriander seed.
Coriander seed.
Coriander, cumin, black pepper. 3 different of them. So now we will roast the seed first. Bring this to the kitchen. Bring this to the kitchen. Okay, bring it to the kitchen with your team. Get up. In curry paste. We will roast the seed first. That's for mango sticky rice. Teamwork here.
Yes.
Put it here, put it there. Turn the heat on, put the seed inside. Maximum heat. Okay, yeah, that's all it ends. Yeah. Maximum. One more time. Would you turn the heat on? Yeah, and the seed inside, please. And stir. Stir it now.
No oil.
No oil. Dry roast. Dry roast. Yeah. Today we make mango sticky rice with more color. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Butterfly pea.
Do you need a break?
What?
Do you need a break?
Oh, no.
Yeah, butterfly pea flour.
You look like you're getting tired.
Oh, no, it was a joke.
Give roasted
But you can if you want.
Okay, thank you. Roasted coriander, black peppercorns, and one
See the
other.
color here? When you hear them pop, that ready. Gas up into the bowl. Back to the white bowl.
It started to
Okay,
pop. Gas up
Into
into
the bowl,
the bowl.
please. Put into the white bowl. Have you eaten mango sticky rice before?
Yes.
I will make the best today. Will you leave that there and then come around here for mango sticky rice? Who want sticky rice with mango? Let me explain to you how to cook rice. In Nepal, you eat rice every day?
Yes.
Same here in Thailand. 3 meals a day. Thai people be crazy with rice. And for the COVID time, I grown the rice myself with my father, my father-in-law. So which one eats sticky rice? Can you guess?
I don't know.
No. Oh, this one.
Sticky rice, which one? Oh, sticky rice is
Oh.
that's sticky rice. Sushi rice, Japanese. So into that short grain. Jasmine, we call it jasmine rice. Yeah. Look like basmati, but shorter. And basmati longer. So this is the way to cook. You need a pot, you need a wok, you need a pan or anything, but cook with water. Rice inside, water together. Yeah. Clean the rice a few times, add them in there with water, boiling together. But this is the way to cook sticky rice. Steam it. Water inside, rice in here. Yeah, we put rice in the cheesecloth in the muslin. Stop them stick with the basket. We steam it. If you put the rice directly in there, no towel, they stick with the basket. Yeah, stuck in there. Cooking not too long, 15 to 20 minutes inside, but before cooking, that's a long process. So 5 hours in the water, soak. Rice have to be in the room temperature water, no boiling, just only soaking. Rice water, 5 hour minimum.
Minimum.
Can be one night, overnight. Overnight. So, and after you soak it, you need to clean. You rinse it a few times, and then you need to steam it with any steamer. At your home, you cannot find a basket like this. You can use normal steamer, the one that you cook vegetable, the layer. Yeah, anything but not touch the water, above of the water. So you pick 1 spoon each. Now shoot your weapons, cooking weapons. So now the rice is cooked already. Taste it. Your spoon, scoop some, blow it first. Why they call it sticky rice? Because it's sticky. Many of your home they call it gluten rice, gluten rice, sweet rice or steamed rice. But in Thailand, everyone know them as sticky rice. Sticky rice, because it's sticky. We eat this with food. Normally in Thailand, in the north of Thailand, for we eat this with soup, with curry, with salad, with papaya salad. Any meal you want to eat it. But here in Thailand, the north parts of Thailand, we grow the rice, this one, and we eat this rice. Normally we eat by hand. Sticky. So why we name it sticky rice? For me, sometimes I make a good weapons. When the dog pee in my house, they make my house smelling. Sticky rice weapon. Whoa! Sticky rice weapons. The dog run away.
Wow.
Sometimes they come back. Sorry, I love dog. Oh, this for me. Is the butterfly pea. PEA, not PEA. Yeah, PEA that take very long time to get them. Can you see the color? Purple butterfly pea with some of the water and coconut milk. This we make a sweet sauce for the mango sticky rice. Can you see now?
Is that sweet? The butterfly?
Butterfly pea? No.
Just color.
Color. Sugar? Nah, not too much. Could you add 7 spoons?
7. Not too much, but 7.
7.
Not too much, but 7.
Turn the heat on too.
Medium was.
Okay, thank
Not
you.
too much, only half.
Not too much. One more for me. More sugar. The wooden spoon. Nice. And we add salt to balance. Stir it. Too hot. If not too hot, I can do like this. So in the restaurant, when you have a brewed drink, noodle or anything, if they see this color from this, if they see them green, we call pandan leaf. If they see them yellow, like from saffron or Russia, they call it red. That one is more like orchid. That fake.
Oh, that's fake.
The fake one. Can I? Spoon, please, over the pot here. Blow it first, everyone. Come to try. Can I turn down like this? Many people tell me it tastes like bounty from Europe. Bounty.
Oh, bounty.
Yeah, bounty. From America, tastes like almond joy. Yeah.
Tastes like almond joy.
Yeah. Bounty. Yeah.
Bounty the coconut on the
Yeah.
Coconut with salt.
Yeah, coconut milk. Yeah.
Similar.
Oops, sticky rice. Sorry, we have to cook you. Some left, that's okay. That's my weapon. See? Sticky, that's it. We just clean it, okay, when they're sticky like this. Yeah. And the sauce. This for me, we are teamwork. Sauce, can you see there? Purple color. Mix it. Not blue enough. Some more. Ooh. Color. I love dessert. I talked with my wife. I want to put more dessert menu in my course, but my wife stopped me.
If you make mango sticky rice
Yes.
and you chop the mangoes, you put them in at the end or in
At the end.
At the end.
Yeah, mango it's separate, but eat together.
Eat together.
Yeah, not inside.
Okay.
But the other menu we call durian sticky rice. We add durian inside. Durian have to boiling here inside. Oh, they have some sugar left. No waste any sugar. The sweet made. Clover. The other menu, longan, the one that you tried before, also good with this. Longan, durian, many things. Oh, can you see my finger?
Yeah.
Pull from that.
Purple.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Make your ice cream.
Oh wow.
Butterfly pea. Yeah.
But you don't have to color them. Very fast.
Now we leave it soak up here about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, let them absorb, soak up the sauce, and eat it later with mango.
Yes.
If you don't like this menu, I eat for you. Give it to me. So leave the spoon here, please. The one that you used already. Thank you. Now in the room with your spicy curry paste.